Sound of Honor Global was birthed in 2019 during the global COVID-19 pandemic, a season of fear, uncertainty, and isolation across the world. In the midst of crisis, God planted a vision. What began as simple acts of obedience, door-to-door evangelism, prayer walks, and feeding programs for vulnerable children, has grown into a vibrant and impactful ministry dedicated to worship, music education, spiritual empowerment, and community transformation. From the streets to the stage, from homes to hearts, we are committed to spreading hope where there is despair, light where there is darkness, and love where there is need. Our mission, through the power of 1. Spirit-filled worship, 2. Music training and mentorship, 3. Prayer and discipleship, 4. Compassion driven outreach. We are raising a generation that honors God and serves humanity with excellence, integrity, and love. We believe music is more than sound. It is a tool for healing, restoration, and transformation. Through worship and practical acts of kindness, we are building lives, restoring dignity, and strengthening communities. Our outreach vision. Our outreach is not just an event, it is a movement of love in action. We are reaching out to, on Feed the Hungry 2, encourage the discouraged, 3. Empower young talents through music, 4. Support children and families in need. Every meal shared, every song sung, every prayer lifted, and every life touched is a testimony of God's faithfulness. Why we do this? Because we believe 1. Every child deserves hope. 2. Every community deserves compassion. 3. Every talent deserves nurturing. 4. Every soul deserves to encounter God's love. Join the vision. We invite you to partner with us through your prayers, support, and generosity as we continue to impact lives and transform community. Together, we can raise a generation that carries the sound of honor to the nations.
Join us in making a difference. Your support helps us provide food, shelter, and education for those in need. Together we can create lasting change in our community. How your donation helps sing. 1. Provides daily meals to families in crisis. 2. Funds educational programs for children. 3. Supplies warm clothing during winter months. 4. Supports shelter operations and maintenance. 5. Offers emergency aid during natural disasters. Ways to donate. M-Pesa 254,711,509,194 or our website www.soundofhonoroutreach.com.